Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Canva plan or request a refund. Maybe you accidentally paid twice for your plan or experienced another issue. Or you simply want to cancel your subscription. Whatever the case may be, if you need to contact Canva customer support, this video is for you. To contact customer support, open your browser, whether you're using Brave, Chrome, Edge, or any other browser, and type in Canva Help. Then go to the search bar and type Request Refund or something similar and press Enter. Look for the options related to billing, payments, or plan management. Select Billing and Plan Management and go there. Click on Manage Plan or Fix Billing and Payment Issues. Then go to the Payment or Billing Help section. Next, select what your problem is, such as being charged unexpectedly. You'll also find articles related to your issue. If this doesn't resolve your problem, proceed to make a refund request. Here you'll see various options, including entering your invoice number. If you have an invoice number, simply add it to the form. You'll also need to select a refund request reason from the provided list. Pick whichever is most relevant to your case. Then, describe your issue in detail. What happened, what problems you faced, and why you are requesting a refund. Upload any relevant screenshots or files to support your claim, especially if you paid for the plan twice. In that case, share the screenshot and submit the form. The customer support or technical team will reach out to you, and you will get instructions on how to receive your refund or cancel your plan with these simple steps. It might sometimes take a bit more effort, but just follow the same process and you should receive a solution to cancel your plan or get a refund if you paid twice. If you have any other credit issues or problems with your plan billing or your cards, their team should respond to your questions or your form within 24 hours. Just stay calm and be patient. Just remember to be patient. You'll hear back soon.